Can betrayal be forgiven? The harsh truth about trust, 8 answers you need to hear. Forgiving betrayal doesn't mean you can truly forget. Once trust is broken, it is incredibly difficult to repair, leaving a lingering doubt in your mind. Forgiveness can sometimes be a sign of strength, but other times, it may just be self-deception. A person who cheats may feel remorse, but the real question is, will they do it again? If you want to forgive, ask yourself, has this person truly changed, or are they only apologizing because they got caught? Sometimes, forgiving is just postponing more pain. Is physical betrayal worse than emotional betrayal? Many people see physical infidelity as the bigger betrayal, yet losing emotional connection can leave deeper wounds. The real issue may lie in understanding why the betrayal happened in the first place. Is betrayal just a mistake, or is it a conscious choice? Can someone truly love a person and still betray them, or is infidelity a sign that the relationship was already broken? Maybe it's impossible to decide on forgiveness without first understanding the reason behind the betrayal. Forgiving doesn't necessarily mean trust is fully restored. Rebuilding broken trust is like trying to glue shattered glass back together. It may look intact, but with the slightest pressure, it can break again. Whether betrayal can be forgiven depends on personal boundaries. Some give second chances, while for others, it is a red line that should never be crossed. The real question is, are you forgiving for your own peace, or just because you fear losing them? Can a relationship truly survive after betrayal, or is it just extending the pain? Forgiveness can be liberating, but it can also be self-deception. Anyone can forgive, but very few can truly forget. If you truly love someone, would you ever betray them? Or does betrayal mean that love was already lacking? Maybe instead of asking whether you should forgive, the real question is, why did this happen to you in the first place? At the end of the day, betrayal is not just about the act itself, but about what it reveals about the relationship. Forgiveness is personal, but it should never come at the cost of your self-respect and emotional well-being. So, can betrayal truly be forgiven, or does it only delay the inevitable? Now it's your turn. Can betrayal truly be forgiven, or does it permanently break trust? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship debates. See you in the next video.